our Silicon Savannah is powered by over 300 startups, world-class incubators, and a thriving venture capital investment. This has positioned Kenya as a dynamic hub for multilateral engagement, digital transformation. We also host IBM, Microsoft, Google, Cisco, Oracle, and I think most of them are in this room. And we power our data centers with renewable energy. Your Excellencies, in this era of rapid technological acceleration, Nairobi's unique convergence of diplomatic missions, international non-governmental organizations, startups, multilateral institutions, and sustainable infrastructure offers an exceptional platform to reimagine multilateralism. The Techplomacy Connective seeks to harness this ecosystem to shape the norms, standards, and partnerships that ensure emerging technologies drive economic growth, social inclusion, and environmental sustainability for Kenya, Africa, and the world. Kenya remains actively engaged in the Global Digital Compact negotiations. Jointly, we have co-created various initiatives designed to strengthen our partnership, some of which include the following. One, we recently co-created the Current AI with France to advance public benefit of AI. We established the AI Hub for Sustainable Development with Italy and the European Union to enhance resilience for our infrastructure and startups. Jointly with the United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP, and the International Telecommunications Union, ITU, we formed the Sustainable AI Coalition to ensure technology supports rather than accelerates climate change. In partnership with the private sector, we are also advancing the establishment of the region's first ever AI factory in collaboration with the Cassava Technologies. And fifth, most recently, Kenya and Albania were appointed co-facilitators of the WSIS Plus 20 review process, where there have been remarkable strides towards harnessing technology diplomacy. These efforts remain largely fragmented. This connective, therefore, presents a timely opportunity to align our initiatives and deliver greater value for Kenya and partner countries. The initiative positions Nairobi as a vibrant space for a global community of practice on our common agenda, a place to advance a common understanding on the risks, challenges, and prospects of emerging technologies. Certainly, through open dialogue, scientific collaboration, and real-world use cases, we can forge common ground on how technology can help solve our most pressing challenges, spanning health, education, climate action, and public participation, just to mention a few. Ultimately, our shared goal is to ensure technology drives inclusive prosperity, generates real value for business, creates meaningful jobs, and accelerates progress toward the global sustainable development goals.